Namaste, Namaskaram. My name is Kavitha Sudarshan. I am a Carnatic classical vocalist. As a Carnatic classical vocalist, it has given me immense adaptability to explore and experiment different kinds of music. So for me, I don't think any language comes as a hurdle when it comes to singing. Similarly, any genre of music. So many people ask me, is learning Carnatic classical music really essential? See, I cannot say it is essential, but it plays a very, very, very big role in taking you forward. So many people ask me, can I just learn light music and film song and stick to that? You can learn, you can do that, but you will reach or hit a saturation very fast, because many things you will understand better only if you know the notations, which is the swarams. So as human beings, we forget, right? We forget the tunes. So how is it possible to remember the tune? And every song comes with its own mood, with its own feel. And when audience relate the song many times to the scene also. So you should be able to create the right notes with the right emotion, correct? That is possible if you know the swarams, if you know the swarasthanas, okay? It is small re, it is big re, it is small ga. And the very crux of music is a simple change, or when you shuffle the notes here and there, it creates an immense change in the mood of the song. Okay, that is why when you hear some song, you feel sad. Some songs you hear, you feel very happy. Some are nostalgic. How is that created? It is created by the permutation and combination of the swarams, and that is what we simply call as ragam. So what is ragam? Ragam is a set of swarams put together. You can imagine it like a colorful mala or a necklace which has got different beads. Okay, so that is ragam. So, and different talams. What is talam? Talam is the rhythm. So every song has a different rhythm, right? So when you want to understand all these things, what is pitch? We call shruti. So shruti, talam, layam. These are the three basics in music. So when you want to understand these things, and when you want to explore those levels, you need to know music. You need to have an understanding and proper base in the Carnatic classical music. Once you do that, you will see that the journey is very smooth. And you can also do that. You can record the same song before you learn. And let's say 2-3 months down the lane, you record the same song. You will be able to see the changes provided you are doing the rehearsals properly, your sadhagams, the practices, everything. So Carnatic classical is definitely a very, very, very big tool in taking you forward. Moreover, Carnatic classical music also has so many exercises in it which will strengthen your vocal cord, which will help you to maintain your voice stamina, which will help you to gain more, which helps you to hit higher notes, hit the lower notes with equal ease. So all this is possible when you learn music, because in our Carnatic classical music, there is a specific set of exercises with each specific purpose in mind. We have the simple Sarali Varshakal. Any beginner would know. Sarali Varshakal. The word Saral means easy. Varshakal means lines. So Sarali Varshakal is a basic introduction to the 7 swarams. You learn different combinations. Then you move on to the Madhya Sthai. Madhya as in center. Here you focus on the notes Ga, Ma and Pa, which is in between. You learn the different permutation and combination, right? Then you learn the male Sthai Varshakal or the upper Sthai Varshakal. This is also called the higher octave notes, which means you are going to strengthen your vocal cord above the sa, right? Then you come to the mantra sthai varshakal, where it is below sa, the lower octave notes. So you can see it is very, very well structured. The jantas are nothing but double notes, and here you come across jumps. The swarams are not going to be in a proper sequence. You're going to jump from here and there, because naturally that is how the song is going to travel. From a high point, you're going to jump down, and all these things. So these things, if you want to know, if you want your throat to get accustomed to, and if you want to take up songs or the challenges of trying different songs, learning is very, very essential. And once you start learning, you'll really be able to feel the difference. You will also be able to feel and hear those notes which you have never heard of before, because your sense of hearing, your ears becomes very sharp, and you feel, oh, there is this note, I never heard it, or I rather missed it, or I heard it but I was not able to get it. So with the right exercises in the Carnatic classical music, you will definitely be able to get these things, because this is very well structured, and we have to remember that this has been done hundreds and hundreds of years ago. And now if you see, the Western world is, they're really looking into all our classical music and things. And so we should, as so it the amount of value, the amount of benefits you derive from this is just immense. And moreover, you get such mental peace, a sense of calmness. This is all definitely achieved through music. So I think, and there is no age bar, you can start at any time. So please learn the Carnatic classical vocals. It's definitely going to help you.
To watch and learn from more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.